today? So you nervous?
You're fast.
I beat you in a foot race.
You're so fast.
Just get it closer behind him. Oh, just all ramps. I always feel like they're gonna pop out. What up, YouTube? Welcome to the 2023 fishing trip. Last year was a bust.
This is like a not just a day thing that we normally do.
Last year was a bust, so we planned a little bit better this year.
Why was it a bust? You just suck at fishing?
The river was terrible.
Yeah,
well, yes. Yeah. Yes. That is not even an argument.
It's hard to catch fish when you sit.
The water was real high. The river was too fast.
Oh, I'm gonna off this gate up.
Those are fighting words, bud. Okay, well, rude.
You call this an unfishable hole, and you never caught a fish out of it.
Never. It's always, but it's always such a pain. This is about normal. That's new. Yeah, you guys need to introduce yourselves. Colton's a little camera shy. That's Colton. That's my cousin Zach. May the games begin. Oh, this is that good hole. This is different. Woo! This hole got changed. That's that big hole. Nice little guy. Heck yeah. Good catch, bud. Stop! Yeah! Good fish. That's a toad, man. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Nice. This is a nice little guy.
That's a good fish.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go.
Very nice.
Nice. A little buddy. Let's go. I'm on the board. Pretty fish, man. Look how, like, it's not very long, but look how fat he is.
Pretty little fat boy. All right, day one of fishing's getting wrapped up. Setting camp. Phone died pretty early today. Zach caught the biggest fish. But unfortunately, no photos. How do you feel about that?
I don't want to talk about it. Keep them up out of the rapids. That's a great fish. Oh, heck yeah.
That should have been a fish. Nice. That's a fucking... That's a beauty hole, man. That's a really nice fish. You want me to send down the net? Oh, it's not that nice.